Prophet Muhammad. Prophet Muhammad was an Islamic leader who was considered and believed to be a messenger from God. Muslims believed that Muhammad was the last prophet that God sent to redeem humankind from their evil ways. Other religions consider Muhammad the founder of Islam, while Muslims consider him as a true prophet who restored the ancient faith of predecessors such as Abraham, Noah, and Moses. His characteristics, values, and manners form the foundation of Islam. These characteristics include his dressing style, mode of living, manners, and disposition. His absolute trust in God and his daily routines have immense influence in the Islamic religion. In addition, his other characteristics such as kindness, justice, equality, and love for the poor explain why Muslims consider him as a true prophet who was sent by God to save a corrupted human race. Throughout his life, Muhammad had to deal with people who were seeking justice. This was in connection to his roles as a people's leader, judge, apostle, and arbiter. In executing these roles, he never deviated from the path of justice. He always ensured that everyone received justice. His belief in justice was so strong that he did not consider factors such as religious affiliation, friend, or enemy in awarding justice. He preached against all crimes, was always impartial in handling matters of justice, and he never favored his supporters. Muhammad always overlooked other people's faults. He was polite, sincere, compassionate, and courteous. Saying his morning prayers, he spent additional time in the mosque reciting passages that praised God while waiting for people to gather for sermons. Afterwards, he would preach to them about the goodness of his God. In the afternoon, he would go back to the mosque for afternoon prayers and a session with the people during which he offered them spiritual guidance. The Prophet was humble, and it was difficult for anyone who did not know him to distinguish him from his companions. His actions did not distinguish him from his companions. In addition, his love for the poor revealed his humility. He always helped orphans, widows, and the poor whenever they needed his help. He did not consider the social, religious, or economic class of people. His characteristics form the foundation of Islam, which includes justice, kindness, faithfulness, prayerfulness, love, dependence on God, and forgiveness. These characteristics made Muhammad a role model for Muslims. He always tried to instill these values in his companions through his teachings and by being an example because he possessed them. Prophet Muhammad emphasized the value of seeking knowledge and learning throughout his life. His love for knowledge and education set an example for Muslims to prioritize education and continuous learning. Prophet Muhammad remains an unexceptional role model for all of humanity. His life exemplifies compassion, honesty, justice, humility, and perseverance. His teachings encourage forgiveness, tolerance, and the pursuit of knowledge. Muslims and non-Muslims alike can draw inspiration from his life and apply his teachings to become better individuals and contribute positively to society. Following in the footsteps of Prophet Muhammad leads to a path of compassion, integrity, and righteousness, making the world a better place for all. Have a happy week ahead.